Hello everyone. In this video I would like to show you how you can attach one or more files to an article in the knowledge base. So this particular functionality is available with version 12.2, and what we also want to do is we want to look at what happens if you place an article with an attachment into an iDashboards frame, as that gives you the option now to view the attachments too. Okay, but first we want to select our article, right? Then we go to the edit mode, and then here on the bottom right you will see all the attachments after we have the attachments available. But first let's take a look at the help text. So each file that you upload cannot be more than 25 megabytes. If you delete the article later on, all the attachments are also deleted, of course. If you upload a file twice or three times, that will result into an attachment, an additional attachment, as we don't check if that file that you uploaded has been already uploaded or not, right? And then the last piece here is when you place an article with an attachment into an iDashboards frame, as I mentioned, a second ago, you will get that view button available that allows you to view all the attachments. Now we can attach a couple of files. So when I use my File Explorer now, you won't see the window that pops up, because that window pops up in a different monitor on my end. It's not captured by this video. So I'm going to just tell you. So I'm going to now attach a Word document. You see, Word document, you can delete it, you can download it. Once you have one attachment in here, you can download either that one or later on all of them, right? So let's do a couple more. So we're going to drag actually two of them in here. That makes it three. Drag another one in there, and then maybe another one in MP4. So I have 5 different attachments. They're all 5 different formats: XLS, CSV, PDF, MP4, and doc, right? A Word document. Now let me add another one to show you what happens when you have more than 5 in here, right? So because that shows now another button here, because it doesn't show more than 5. So it shows only the first 5 that were attached. You click on it, that gives you the whole list. You can also see some of them are viewable, like the PDF, that we downloaded, right, or uploaded in this case. So you can click on it, and it will show you this in a different tab in the browser. And that's basically all there is to it when it comes to attaching files to an article. We save it, right? Then we go to the dashboard build mode here, open up a new dashboard, use our add edit panel function to find our article that we just have attached information to, right? We click one time, okay, 2 times, okay, go to the preview mode, and then here you can see there's this button that I mentioned. You click on it, you can now download each of them. You can view them if you wanted to. You can download them all, right? Now, if you don't want this button to show here, you go back, go to the configuration in article panels. You see there's the display article files setting here that is already checked by default. You uncheck it when you click OK and go to preview. Now that view button is gone. Okay, so this was all that I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this was informative, and thank you for watching.